3 screw holes, only 2 screws.
We'll see how good this thing is really set up. So my little speckle knife thing. Oh, it's that piece of wood that's still attached to it.
Yeah, I don't know how, but
Oh, here's another one. 3 places for screws and only 2 screws. It's coming along. How you feeling about this, Billy Phil?
you'll get it, Kale.
And we have downsized so
box.
much that we don't use this. It's really so.
So we'll see what it's like when it's gone. Piece of cake, Jack.
It is. So nothing's in there.
I mean, there's some framing in there to hold it, give it some stability.
But no wires. Yeah.
None of that. No. I guess all that's running in the wall there. Get it, Kale.
It's coming down, babe. These are the big giant screws. Oh. I know.
Well, the drill would be nice.
I'm sorry it died. We're doing it the old-fashioned way. Getting a good little workout while we're doing it. Check out that screw. I have, what, 4 of those? So, a little hot winds last night. Knocked over some things. Tore up our skirting just a little bit, but that is the aftermath of the overhead bed. There's more. It actually did have supports. But yeah, that's it. We got to do some cleaning up. That chair was all knocked over. Everything was scattered about, but we got to do some cleaning up and prepping for cold weather to come. Yay. How's it feel, Phil?
We can see the skylight now.
It is so different, but I like it. I mean, we weren't using it, so. Ideas now? Are you thinking, or are you just laying there admiring?
I'm just soaking in what we did right now.
There's not much wall stuff to fix.
No.
Not that I can see it. So, hey y'all.
Hey y'all. Oh, internet.
So look at our, all gone. Philip can stretch his hands. What you thinking about, Tut? What you think?
I don't feel like I'm in a cave.
So, sorry about the hair. It's been we went from...
The teens to 60s.
Yeah.
So, humidity is off the chart.
Yeah, and my hair just grew bigger and bigger and bigger as the day went on. But, we got that done.
Yes, we did.
It's nice. Here, let me give you a bird's eye view. See? We took down this. We weren't using it. So we're contemplating with taking the bottoms out of this so that our clothes can hang correctly, because as you can tell, they kind of scrunch up right there. So we were thinking about taking the bottoms out. We shall see, right, babe?
Yep.
But the babies are relaxing with us. There's our Sophie Grace and our Patrick Stewart. But most importantly,
We're not in a cave.
you love it.
I love it.
You look like you're so far back. It looks awesome. Now we don't feel like we're closed in, as Philip says. And two, we weren't using it, so we continue to downsize. So after a hard day's work, we are now off to celebrate mine and Philip's birthday with the family.